The Fittest 4 competition will test your endurance, strength, speed and teamwork in a series of events aimed to push you to your limits until one team finally emerges to be crowned the Fittest 4 champions. The overall winners of the competition will receive a top prize of €1,000, with the winners from the other two sections receiving €500 each. All times and results will be recorded by stewards on the day. At the end of each day, the times will be ranked and seeded against each other, creating a scoring system and an overall league table. So, now that all the technical issues have been sorted, let's get down to business.
Rowing. Each participant will take it in turns to row 1,000 metres. Once the 1,000 metre target has been reached, the players will swap places for the next teammate to take over. The combined time after all 4 participants have rowed will be recorded, giving the group an overall time.
Watt bike. Again, this event requires teamwork. Each participant cycles 3 kilometres. Once the target has been reached, the next person takes over and repeats the distance. Once the whole team has completed their 3 kilometre segment, the watch will stop, giving them an overall time. Tactics, teamwork and moral support are key for this event.
Hang tough. All 4 participants hang tough on the bars. Each time someone falls, their time is recorded, with all 4 times being added together to create one overall team time. The longer you hang in, the better your time will be.
The Prowler push. All 4 participants take part in this relay event. The watch begins when the first player crosses the line and ends when the last participant has completed the course. The quickest overall time will score the most points.
Shuttle runs. Again, all 4 participants take part in this relay event, and there's nothing quite like a shuttle run to make those legs burn. Once every player has crossed the line, the team time will be recorded and ranked.
Farmer's walk. Mimicking the iconic image of a farmer carrying heavy buckets, this dreaded walk will again be relay based. The clock starts as player 1 crosses the line and ends when player 4 reaches the completion point. The quickest time combined will give you the high point score in this event.
The plank. Pushing those core muscles to the limit, the plank is the ultimate endurance exercise. Elbows and toes on the floor, back straight, begin. All 4 participants start this event together, but each time a person drops, their time is recorded. The combined times are then added together and totalled. The longer you hold out, the more successful you'll be.
Box jumps. Each participant must do 100 box jumps in as quick as time as they can. Both feet must hit the box and return to the ground at the same time. All 4 times to be added together to make a team time. The box will be set by the steward in relation to your height. 100 box jumps? Sounds easy, right?
Running relay. This event sees participants take part in a relay around the walking track. You complete 1 lap and tag your teammate. Your lungs will be pushed to the limit here as you try to get across that line in the quickest time possible.
The 50-metre sprint. You have to get from A to B in the quickest time possible. Each participant takes it in turns to complete the 50-metre grass track, and each time is then recorded to the millisecond and combined to once again make a total for each team.
Standing jump. Just when you thought all energy was zapped from your legs, you have to give them one last burst. Each participant stands against the wall and reaches their hand up. Their height is then recorded at their fingertip. They then jump up and touch the wall at the highest point they can. The distance between both marks is then recorded. The measurements are added together, giving a total height jumped by all 4 players. The higher the jump, the higher the points you score.
Rope sled pull. Each player must pull a sled from line A until it's completely past line B. The next player must then pull the sled back to line A. The player must rotate turns and each pull the sled a total of 3 times. The stewards will be adamant that the whole sled must cross the line before each player can pull it back, so be careful and listen to their calls.
The burpee. Last but by no means least, the dreaded burpee. The rules are simple for this one. Your body must be straight when in a press-up position, and your body must be upright when finishing your jump. Both feet must be in the air for the burpee to count. You have 1.5 minutes to complete as many burpees as you can, and the total number of burpees recorded for each player will be totalled and recorded.
So that's it, the 13 stations that aim to push you to your limit, test your teamwork skills and assess your physical and mental endurance. Do you think you have what it takes to be the Fittest 4? Well, sign up now using the link and book your place today.